cook my favorite recipe. It's chicken pasta. Join me guys as I do this with the razor hair from my mama. Let's start. First put the chicken cubes. Now add some salt. Add some chili powder, turmeric powder, some garam masala. Now let's mix. Mixing. Boil some water. Add some salt in the water. Now pour up in the pasta. Yummy pasta cooking. Now drain the water. Shake. Now open the block of yummy tea. Yummy teas. Great. Add a little oil in the pan. Put in the onion. Now the garlic. Throw in the wet sliced tomatoes. Cook them. Now pour in the milk. Now drop in the yummy cheese. Now add the cream. Now add some salt. Mix. Now put in the chicken. This sauce is ready. In goes the pasta. My cheesy chicken pasta is ready. Now let's eat, you guys. Yummy in my tummy. Looks like my sister loves it. Thanks for watching.